Hi viewers, this is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to my story page. Today I am going to tell you a short story about the wish of a child. Just look at the picture. It revolves around a family and about a television. The boy going and standing near the television. Okay. Actually there was a teacher by name Subhashini and she is taking class for small kids. Okay, so one day she will tell the kids, today you are going to write an essay, and the essay relates to what is your wish you want to ask God, what you want to be, whatever you can ask God. So she will ask the children to write an essay. Everybody will write the essay and hand over to her. This Subhashini, she will take all the essays to her home and she will be correcting the papers at home. And she was really surprised to see that the children having different ambition and different wishes. She couldn't believe it. The current millennial children, they are actually we can say that they are more innovative and they are entirely different from how 20 years back the kids were. Okay, so what happens is, one essay when she is reading, she will be in tears, and her husband will be surprised to see her in tears looking at a small child letter, a small child essay. So she will hand over the essay to her husband. He will read it, and the child would have written that I would like to become a TV because like my parents, everybody, both my mother and father, they always enjoy, like when they are looking at TV, they laugh, they they will not scold at TV, they will not beat the TV, they enjoy to the core whenever they are looking at the TV. So I think that I will also be a TV. So God, please make me as a TV so that my parents will enjoy me and they will not scold me, they will not beat me. Like that the child would have written. And husband will say, I think poor child, no, the child is feeling very lonely. The parents are addicted to looking at TV. So the child has, is becoming very lonely. That is why he has written like this. Then wife, she will say, who has written this essay? It is our son, she will say. Then both the husband and wife, they will realize what blunder they have done in their life. So parents, I am telling, the children will be longing to get love and affection from us, from the parents. So we should spare some time for the kids. There is nothing wrong in looking at TV, but spare some time with the children, asking their experience, how they felt, and what is the happiness, what is they are so depressed. Everything if you share with them, then obviously they will be very happy. But always if you are addicted to TV and don't care about the child, ultimately the child will feel that loneliness in them. Such a child, it is not, they will not think good, they will not do good also. So please parents, I am just advising you, take care of your kid, spare some time for the kids and make them happy. With this note, I will meet you tomorrow. Thank you.